here for storage. You can dry it off if it's a little wet. And just tighten to pressure. Now the head is free and we can set that aside. Next we're going to remove the cords from here, and same sort of deal, just loosen and loosen and remove. Just straight back, pull straight back. Okay, so those are out. You just set them there. And this one you kind of have to use two hands to hold this and twist that off. I can't hold you, so you're gonna sit there for a second. So I just twisted that off and then pull. Okay. Last thing we have is the oxygen fiber optic cable. This we're gonna need to use this to hold the front one, and then for the one closest to the brain, we're going to use the small end. Nope, we're going to use the bigger end on this thicker wrench. So essentially we're going to undo that, and I'm going to have to put you down, but you have to unscrew this from this back one as well. So this is just going to kind of sit there, and we're going to loosen that one with the other wrench. And once you have it loose, this will come off of that, and you'll see the wire going in here. So for this wire, you need to pull it out straight. When you put the wire inside, you need to make sure to push it and firmly set it up against the back. You'll feel pressure, and then tighten it. So this has to be touching. There's another sensor inside of here that this cable, fiber optic cable, has to touch. So be careful of that. For this, we're just going to put this back on for protection, and a hand twist is just fine. And then we're going to plug these holes up. We want a little bit more room. We're going to undo this clip so that we can be free. Oops. We can be free of the cable. So now the cable's down. We can just set it there for now. We're not done with it. Oh, look what I almost forgot. Put this on immediately after you take it off. And you can see that there's some wetness on the head, don't be shy with a towel to clean it up a bit. There's some algae in there. There's actually a shrimp, a baby shrimp right on the top too. We rinsed this in fresh water. I don't know where these guys came from, but very interesting. Okay. So now we're gonna take our 5-prong and just put it in the 5-prong. Push it in until it's secure and then twist this into place. Same for the 3-prong. And pressure and twist into place. For this one, we can untwist and undo like that. And we've got this that goes on the head here that we have removed off for storage, and you can twist it and same thing here. If I can find it. Okay. Great. Now, the head is free. The basket is free. It is clean. Wonderful. Well, there's a little bit of water in here, so we'll dry it off a bit. But this will go directly into the CISME bucket. There's a few things that we need to get out of here first. But this bucket goes here. Oh, I need to dry this. It needs to be dry. CISME goes in. We have this stuff that you have to put underneath the cup and fit it over these and push it down all the way. Now this is where the brain will go. Since the brain is all shut up, we'll just stick it nicely in its little cubby. That's where that goes. This is also finished. And we have this that goes here. And the head is gonna fit quite nicely just right in there. The retractors, their home is here. For storage, it is better to take these off, but you can just put them on the side. And these fit really nicely in, oops, in the foam. Boom, boom, boom. Let's make sure the head is in the correct way. So you want it kind of flush. Stick it in there. And then this will go over top. The CISME handle will fit through here, and you'll know if it's on the wrong way, because it won't fit right. So we'll give it a little flip, and now it fits right in that hole. So these fit down, and the pH probe is going to go right here. Now we have to take apart